never trust your backup and never trust your hosting backup, your plugin backups, never trust any kind of backups. And what I mean by this is just like with security, ask your hosting company, hey, what do you do with backups? Where are they stored? Is it on the same server? For how long do you keep them? And don't only trust what they say, look into it. We've built something like insane at WPM Red to make sure that we had 100% integrity on backups. And we almost have this everywhere now. What I can tell is that with most WordPress backup plugins, folders, files, something is missing, and you never know about it until it's too late. This is one of my takeaway. And the other takeaway is that Ben is so right when he talks about selective restoration. There is no need to restore your full website and go nuclear about this if you just have to roll back Elementor. Selective restoration is arriving on WP Umbrella, I think next week or in a couple of weeks. We already have safe update. There are plenty of ways to update your website securely without having to go nuclear on a restoration.
One quick more note about the backups is that make sure the backups are malware scanned. The amount of time I've seen people restore like 5 months old backups or whatever, and then they realized, oh, I've actually been hacked already 5 months ago. This is quite common. So this is something to kind of like make sure is happening as well. And you can ask that from the host or your provider whether these are being scanned at some level. This is, I think, important.